going on, everyone? It is Tuesday. It is finally time to take out of hibernation 1972 Courier, aka Raptor. Now, I do need to change the tires, paddles. Obviously, I don't have any room to do that with the Class 11 right here. We're gonna have to pull this baby out of hibernation. We got the van and trailer all hooked up. Can't wait to hit the road. Now this thing's been sitting since fall 2024. It should start up. Fingers crossed. Takeover, Coos Bay 2025. Thursday morning, I'm gonna have Kawasaki jump this. Oh, he cleared it. Good boy. So I made a huge mistake and forgot to record the whole group ride. But essentially what you missed is the passenger door was flinging wide open, reaching over the whole group ride, trying to keep it closed, which was painful. But in this Instagram video, you can see the truck made the video, which was really cool. And I have to say, it was really amazing to ride with SpeedUTV, with Robby Gordon and his son. Those guys were just shredding on those SpeedUTVs, and it was really cool to see them shred on the beach. Shout out to Segway for hosting a really cool group ride. but I got church tomorrow. I usually work on Sundays. I don't get to go to church very often. Overall, UTV takeover was amazing. The sun was out. Could not beat it. This also might be my last time in my van. I've owned this van for I think about 3 or 4 years. I'm in it this weekend, fingers crossed, and you guys will have to wait next time on YouTube and see what upgrade I get if I do sell it this weekend. But if I don't sell it, I'm still happy with this van. I'm going to continue using it. I got the Raptor in the back. It's towing it just fine. So we got Kawasaki. He is tired and he needs a bath. Got to run a lot out on the beach. Well, UTV Takeover 2025. Awesome. Can't wait for the next adventure. Peace. God bless.